5 years ago, the go-to-market playbook was simple. You gated an ebook, ran some ads, booked a demo call, and closed the deal. That was it. But in 2026, it's different. Buyers ignore your gated content, skip your ads, and have already made up their mind before they ever talk to your sales team. The playbook has completely changed, and the teams that haven't caught up are feeling it in their pipeline right now. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 go-to-market strategies that the fastest growing startups are actually using in 2026, ranked from good to best. We are counting down from 5 to 1, and by the time we get to number 1, you'll know exactly where to put your energy to start seeing real results. Coming in at number 5 is Omnichannel Outbound. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out, because the way most teams are doing outbound is exactly why it's not working for them. Single channel outbound is dead. If your entire outbound motion is a cold email sequence, you are essentially whispering into a room full of people wearing headphones. Reply rates across email have been declining for 3 straight years, and buyers have gotten incredibly good at ignoring anything that feels like a mass blast. What the best teams are doing instead is coordinating across multiple channels in a deliberate sequence. A LinkedIn touch followed by a personalized email followed by a phone call with paid retargeting running in the background. All coordinated through tools like N8N acting as the central brain, connecting LinkedIn outreach via HeyReach, email sequences through SmartLead, and reps getting queued up in HubSpot to make the call at exactly the right moment. Meanwhile, retargeting ads keep your brand in front of the account so that by the time a rep picks up the phone, the prospect has already seen your name multiple times across different channels. Number 4 is something most SaaS marketing teams are still underestimating, and it's already costing them pipeline: AI-powered search. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Claude are now competing with Google when it comes to enterprise software discovery. Buyers are using them to research categories, compare vendors, and build shortlists before they ever visit your site. At Supademo, we looked at our own numbers. Our site-wide conversion rate is 25%. AI search traffic converts at 43%. Nearly double, because those visitors have already done the research. They're not browsing, they're ready to buy. The problem? Most teams are still writing content for Google while their buyers are finding competitors through AI. If your company isn't showing up when someone asks an AI tool for the best solution to their problem, you're invisible to a growing part of your market. We've seen our AI search traffic grow 4 times year over year after optimizing for it. And the pages that get cited aren't keyword-stuffed blogs. They're genuinely useful pages. Home pages, specific guides, and free tools. AI does not reward tricks. It rewards usefulness. Number 3 is product-led growth. And at Supademo, this came down to 3 things compounding together. First, product-led SEO. We built programmatic comparison pages with a 20% visitor to sign-up rate and interactive tutorials that now drive over 50% of our organic traffic. Second, free tools. We ungated core features so users could experience value without signing up. Third, built-in virality. Every demo created carries a Supademo watermark. Viewers click through, land on our site, and the loop continues. That combination drove 4 times growth in a year and built a user base of over 160,000 across 100 countries. The product was doing the selling, exactly how PLG is supposed to work. Number 2 is intent signal-based campaigns. And here's the key point: not all intent signals are equal. Most teams chase website visits. Someone lands on your pricing page and you reach out immediately. But at Supademo, our highest intent signal isn't a visit. It's a product sign-up. Our founding AE built his entire workflow around this. Using ZoComputer, he identifies users who recently signed up from companies with over 50 employees and immediately sequences them. At the same time, he targets companies where someone is already using Supademo, reaching out to other stakeholders in those accounts. because if one person is using your product, there's a high chance others should be too. Website de-anonymization tools like Warmly still matter, but the principle is simple. Reach people when they already care, not before. And this is the only strategy on the list that works across every stage of the funnel. Interactive demos. Everything else we've covered is limited. Outbound drives top of funnel, AI search drives discovery, PLG handles activation, intent data supports mid-funnel. But interactive demos, they do all of it. A single demo can live on your homepage and let buyers experience your product before booking a call. It can be used in Outbound as a clickable asset instead of a static deck. It can be shared internally after a sales call. It can power onboarding, and it can replace static help docs. Beehive is a perfect example. Instead of forcing users into a trial, they added an interactive demo. 20% of demo viewers converted into qualified signups. Their demo-driven conversions were 50% higher than their average. And in under 2 months, they generated thousands of signups and over $100,000 in self-serve revenue. No extra sales call, no new hires, just one asset working continuously. That's the compounding effect. Supademo makes this possible for any team. You record your product clicks with a Chrome extension and it turns them into a step-by-step interactive demo automatically. You can be live in under 5 minutes. Embed it anywhere, track engagement, update it instantly. It's the fastest way to deploy a high-converting demo across your entire funnel. Here's what I want you to take away. The teams winning in 2026 aren't doing more. They're doing fewer things with more precision. And they're building assets that keep working long after they're created. If you want to see what this looks like for your team, the first link in the description gets you started with Supademo for free. If this gave you even one idea worth testing, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And if you want to go deeper into product-led growth, check out the video on screen right now.